Hello ladies and gentle pigs, just a quick one, show you the latest mod. As you can tell by the title, it's the Pyramid fender extender, so I just wanted to show you how it looks on the bike in case you're interested in getting one yourself. And I haven't tried it in the wet yet. I tend not to ride this one in the wet if possible. Obviously we all get caught now and then, or we have to ride through streams across the road. So all being well, it will keep a bit of muck off the headers, and if nothing else, it will stop clogging the radiator. So there you go. I think it looks pretty good, not too bad to fit. Bit of a pain getting the mudguard off. Easiest way is to get the wheel off, undo everything and just drop it. There we go. Thanks for watching. Till next time, take care, bye bye.